Hey, wait, are you somebody who wants to learn high level from scratch? Whether you are starting with high level and have no clue as to how you want to use this platform in order to grow your business, or somebody who's already been using high level for a while but is looking for mentorship, training, and coaching surrounded by community members which can help you grow, then High Level Lab is the perfect solution for your business. This is a private community designed by me based on my 5 years of experience with high level and 7 years of combined experience into the marketing space. However, the High Level Lab is free only for now. As you can see, after 500 members, I'm going to make this community paid. This is a one stop solution for you to get everything that you are looking for as a beginner, as well as somebody who's already started using high level. Whether you're looking for free training, client acquisition strategies, automation workflow tutorials, or premium snapshot, which you can import in your high level account in order to grow, this is the exact solution and exact community. I will have the link in the description box as well as in the comment section. Make sure you click on it and get access to the high level lab community. Apart from that, I'm quickly going to show you as to what exactly do you get. So this is the entire interface of my community where I have every discussion. Whether you are getting started, you can post into welcome section, lab discussions, questions and wins that you can post every single day in this community. We also have leaderboards to show people as to who is the first among the people who are engaged inside this community. I also conduct regular one-on-one consultation calls with the community group inside this platform every single week. Along with that, you're going to get access to my all my courses inside the high level lab, where I'm going to introducing more and more courses every single week. So if you're somebody who wants to learn about high level and wants to start with this in the right way along with an encouraged community, High Level Lab is your solution. Click on the link below in the description box and comments and get instant access for you.